So we all need or want to take screenshots of our game to share with our friends, post to our social media communities. Maybe you have a Steam or an itch page, or maybe it's just a game jam and you want to post images of your final product. Now, both Mac and Windows have built-in functionality to take screenshots, and they work pretty well, but they can be a little difficult to use with a game, whether you're having to do a standalone build and get a screenshot of that, or in Unity, whatever. It can be a little tricky to do. And that's where Unity comes in. They have a built-in screen capture function. And not only is it easy to use, it can upscale your image, meaning if you only have a 1080p screen and you want a 4K image or an 8K image, it's not a problem. Or maybe you want a 1080p image, but you want to zoom into some particular part of your screen. Now, if you do that normally, you're going to lose definition. You're going to get pixelated results. With this, you can upscale, zoom in, and not lose any definition. Pretty sweet, pretty nice. So let's take a look at my implementation. It's just a mono behavior with two variables. The first is the path and the second is the size. Now the size field is a multiplier. It's going to multiply the resolution in the Unity game tab by that number. So if you got 1080p in Unity and you put it to 2, you're going to get 4K. You put it to 3, you're going to get 8K. 4, you're going to get up to 16K. Get as many Ks as you want. Then what I have here is I've just implemented this in an update function. I check and see if a key is pressed, in my case K, and then what I do is I build up the path for the screenshot. The base of the path is set in the inspector, and then I simply add screenshot as well as a GUID, so each screenshot has a unique number and we don't accidentally override a previous screenshot. Then we add on the .png suffix. The last piece, this is the screenCapture.capture screenshot function, and to that we pass in our path and the size multiplier. And it's really that easy to take a screenshot in basically any resolution that you want or need. So let's take a look at what this looks like in Unity. Here, I've just got it attached to an object in my scene, and I've typed in my path into the field. Notice that I've used double backslashes in the string. That's because backslashes are special characters. I can go into play mode, press K, and it takes a screenshot. Hope that was useful and interesting. And if it was, check out these other videos of mine that YouTube thinks you might want to watch. And until next time, happy game designing.